Hey y'all. So I wanted to show you real quick what I use when I have an item that's like this that I need to reshape so I can take pictures. So I got my little setup right here. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm about to take pictures of this travel bag for men. So what I do is I open it. It's number one. And then I try to shape it myself with my hand first. And then I try to figure out which one of these will best serve my purpose. So let's try this one first. And this is just some like peanuts and stuff that I done, popcorn or whatever it's called anyway. And I just saved it from when Amazon delivered packages to me. Let's see if this works. Oops. Okay, so let's see. Looks like this is going to work. All I have to do is make sure it can close. Reshape it a little bit. Having a hard time with this. Push some more. Okay. Now. No wonder. Okay. Okay. So, once I got it in like that, then I can take the pictures. Like smooth it out just a little bit more, and then I can just take the pictures of it. And that's what I use. I recycle. I love to recycle. I recycle paper, plastic, anything that I can find, and that's what I use to shape this bag and most of my handbags, pocketbooks, all that stuff. So that's just a tip. Use what you have, okay? And recycle, because I'm in the reselling business, so I might as well recycle the things. All right. I hope this helps someone.